Really important things to know for a good tone on a guitar. Tone wood to a degree, nut material possibly, but more importantly the pickups. I've had this guitar for a few years and the pickups always sounded, well, a little off in the middle and bridge positions. Great guitar though, so in this video I'm going to be swapping those pickups out for the Porter Gatekeeper GKP H90s. Let's get these installed in the Ibanez AS73G, well the AS73C, because I did replace all of the gold with chrome. So these are the Porter Gatekeeper GKP H90 pickups, and they're a P90 pickup in a small humbucker form. And Porter also do different covers for them as well. These are the chrome covers, but they also do nickel, they do satin, as well as relict, and I think they do gold over there as well. So worth checking out on their website. Also, these pickups aren't expensive, they're around $99 a set. Clearly marked for bridge and neck, plus you also get the screws and the springs to install them. And the installation is really straightforward. It's just two wires coming out of each P90 pickup, and you swap those over to the original, or what was there originally with the humbucker pickups. Also, one thing to notice, on the P90 pickups the pole pieces are in the middle, and on the humbucker pickups the pole pieces are on the edge, and all the pole pieces are fully adjustable as well. And so now that we've got the Porter Gatekeeper pickups installed, let's take a listen to them versus the Classic Elite humbuckers that were originally in the guitar. I've become quite good friends with Brian Porter and Marco over at Porter Pickups, and I've been on a few of their podcasts. This info about the pickups from their website. Our new Gatekeeper GKP H90 is a humbucker size P90 in a closed nickel cover with adjustable pole pieces. Get the versatile P90 crunch in a humbucker case. The neck pickup features Alnico 2 magnets and a lower wind for the right balance of smooth tones and cleans for chords and solo work. And the bridge pickup features Alnico 5 magnets and gives a bit more bite. Now the Porter Gatekeepers are, as I understand it, a fairly new range of pickups. And I've got Porter Vintage custom pickups installed in my Strat and Porter Vintage PAFs in my Thinline Telly, and both sound really clear, well-rounded, full, and clarity is something I really like in a pickup, and those have really nice definition. Fantastic definition as well from these pickups all the way through, but when dialed back, sound clear and clean, very balanced through the neck, middle and bridge positions. Much better in my opinion for this style of guitar. And the neck pickup has got Alnico 2 magnets, and also they're wound lower to give them a smoother tone. And the bridge, as I said, has got Alnico 5, and it gives a really nice bite to cut through a mix, or if you're in a band situation. Now the Gatekeepers come in various models, single coils for Strat and Telly, and hot wound humbuckers, as well as the P90s that I have. More info can be found over at porterpickups.com, and all links are below as always. And if you enjoyed this video, why not check that one out? Cheers.